Today we are going to discuss about intersecting lines. So, what is intersecting lines? When two lines are intersect to each other, then these are called intersecting lines. Firstly, we are saying that adjacent angles. So, what is the adjacent angles? Two angles are called adjacent angles if they have common vertex. Common vertex, see that? Here in the figure, A is the common vertex, okay? And here these two angles are adjacent angles. They have exactly one common arm. This is the common arm here, and the other arms of the two angles are on the opposite side of the common arm. Opposite of the common arm. ठीक है? So this is angle AOB and BOC are adjacent angles. So AOB and BOC are adjacent angles. The common arm is OA. Now, linear pair. So what is a linear pair? Linear pair means when two adjacent angles are called linear pair if the sum of their magnitudes is 180 degree. See that the addition of these two angles 130 plus 50, this is 180. So when the addition of two angles is 180 degree, that is straight line, then we can say that this is in linear pair. So one angle in 50 degree, so in linear pair that means other is 130 degree. Similarly, for another example, if one angle is 100 degree, in linear pair other angle is 80 degree. Now, next bisected open angle. So bisected open angle means angle AOB is bisected by the rays OP, then AOP equal to BOP. So this angle, these two angles are equal. Okay, these two angles are equal. Then we say the OP is the bisector of the angle AOB. And last one, vertically opposite angles. So in vertically opposite angles, see that the figure X. So in X, see that this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. Similarly, we can say that this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. So if we see the figure closely, then we say that this is the linear pair. This angle and this angle are in linear pair. Similarly, this angle and this angle are in linear pair. Okay. If we add these two angles, we get 180. Similarly, if we add these two, we get 180. Similarly, if we take AC, then this plus this equals to 180 and this plus this equals to 180. Okay. So firstly we are taking AB, then this plus this equals to 180 and this plus this angle plus this angle equals to 180 and this angle plus this angle equals to 180. If we take CD, then this angle plus this angle equals to 180 and this angle plus this angle equals to 180 because they are in linear pair. Now, going to the exercise. In number 1, see that you have to find the adjacent angle and vertically opposite angles. So, firstly, we are writing the adjacent angles. See that adjacent angles are in the figure BAE, this angle BAE and this angle CAE. So BAE and angle CAE are adjacent. Next, ACE and DCE. Okay. And the next one, AEC, AEC and AEB. Similarly, the next one, BD, this angle, and CED, this angle. So all angles are adjacent angles. Now vertically opposite angle. Already we are writing here. So this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, and this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. Right here. So angle AEC and angle BED. That means this and this. Okay. And another one is AEB and CED. These are adjacent, these are vertically opposite angles. Now, in next number 3, see that you have to find the measurement of the angle POQ in each of the following. 3 figures are there, you have to find the angle measurement. So see that all are in figure of the linear pair. Okay, straight line given and one angle is given. That means these two angles are linear pair. So this angle and this angle are in linear pair. So this two angle is 180. So if we subtract from 180, we get the another angle. So 180 minus 125. 180 minus 125. This is 5. So 55 degree is the answer. Next one, see that only one angle given, 52, and one sine is given. This sine means this is 90 degree perpendicular. Huh? So 90 degree plus 52 degree. That means 90 degree plus 52 degree. That means 142 degree. So this two angle is 142. You have to subtract from 180. So 180 minus 142 degree. That means 38 degree. So this angle is 38 degree. And the last one, two angles are given, 70 and 40. So you have to add this, that is 70 plus 40, that is 110. Now you subtract from 180. So 70 degree. This is all 70 degree. When you are doing the sum, you have to write the properties over there. Okay. Write in the bracket linear pair. Okay. Now in 4A 1, 2, 3, see that 3 figures are given. You have to find the angle AOB. So in the first figure, see that like X is given. So that means vertically opposite angle. Okay. So see that here this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. That means AOB. So similarly we can write this is also 132. So COD equals to angle AOB. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. So we can say that angle AOB equals to 132 degree. Next one, see that firstly you have to take, this is linear pair. Two angles are given, then this angle equals to this plus this, subtract from 180. Okay. So angle COD equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree plus 30 degree. That means 180 degree minus 90 degree. That means 90 degree. So COD equals to 90 degree. You have to find the AOB. So COD equals to AOB. So COD equals to AOB. That means AOB equals to 90 degree. Now you can write VOA, that means vertically opposite angle, and here you can write here linear pair. Okay. So now next one, number 3. In number 3, see that same 2 and 3 are mostly same. So this angle and this angle are given. EF is a straight line, that means linear pair. So third angle you have to find, subtract from 180. So angle COD, this is O. So angle COD equals to 180 degree minus these two angle addition, that means 110. So that means 70 degree. So COD equals to AOB. That means AOB equals to 70 degree. Vertically opposite angle. So this is 4. Now go to the next. Now in number 5, see that some figures are given. You have to find the value of x. So in the first figure, see that this angle is x and this angle is 3x. So that means we know that in linear pair the total angle is 180. So we can write here x plus 3x equals to 180. That means 4x equals to 180. That means x equals to 180 degree by 4. So that means 45 degree. So x equals to 45 degree. Okay. Now next one, see that in the figure 2x are given and 160 is given. This is a linear pair. So x plus 60 plus x equals to 180. So that means 2x plus 60 equals to 180. 2x equals to 180 minus 60. 2x equals to 120. So x equals to 60 degree. Simple calculation is there. You have to find the value of x. Now the last one, number 3, see that these two angles are in linear pair. COD is a straight line, so these two angles are linear pair. So we can x equals to, you are writing 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. Now next. Now in 4 and 5, see that this in figure 2x and x is given and this is 90 degree. This sign means 90 degree. So right here 2x plus 90 degree plus x equals to 180 as linear pair. So 3x plus 90 degree equals to 180. 3x equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. 3x equals to 90 degree. So x equals to 30 degree. So in the first one, number 5 and 4, x equals to 30 degree. And 5 and 5, see that x plus 30, x plus 20, x plus 10 and x is given. So right here x plus 30 plus x plus 20 plus x plus 10 plus x equals to 180. So how many x is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4x plus 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 10, 60 equals to 180. So that means 4x equals to 180 minus 60, that is 120. So x equals to 120 by 4, that means 30 degree. In 6R1, see that in given figure 37 degree given and you have to find the x. So this angle and this angle, these two angles are vertically opposite angle. So x equals to 37 degree. So x equals to, we can write 37 degree. Now next one, in the given figure, two angles are given 40 degree and 30 degree. So see that this 40 degree is vertically opposite to the angle this one. That means this one is also 40 degree. And similarly, this angle vertically opposite to this angle. That means this one is 30 degree. So now we are calculating that if I taking this line or this line, anyone we can take linear pair, this straight line, and this also is a straight line. So if I taking this one, so 40 plus 30 plus x equals to 180. So x plus 30 plus 40 equals to 180. That means x equals to 180 minus 70. That is 110. And the last one, see that x and 50. So this 50 means this equals to 50 because this is vertically opposite angle. And if you're taking this line, then this is a linear pair, these three. So x plus 50 equals to 180. So that means 2x plus 50 equals to 180. So 2x equals to 180 minus 50, that is 130. So x equals to 65 degree. Now see that in number 7, two figures are given. You have to find the angle labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. So here in number 1, see that 50 is given. 50 is vertically opposite to number 3, angle 3. That means angle 3 equals to also 50 degree. Similarly, this is 50. Similarly, angle 2 is opposite of 70. So angle 2 equals to, we can write 70 degree. So here we can write 70 degree. Now we have to find 1 and 4. If we see that this angle, this line, so this is the straight line and this is the linear pair. So two angles we have found and the rest is 180 minus 50 plus 70. So angle 4 equals to 180 minus 70 plus 50. So that is 180 minus 120, that is 60. So angle 4 equals to 60 degree. So if angle 4 equals to 60 degree, then we can say that angle 1 equals to also 60 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. So angle 1 equals to 60 degree. Now the second one, see that in the straight line given, this is 80, 30 and 1. So that means 1 equals to, we can write 180 degree minus 80 plus 30 degree. So that means 180 degree minus 110, that means 70 degree. This is 70 degree. So 70 degree is a vertically opposite to angle 3. So that angle 3 equals to also 70 degree. So right here 70. 80 degree is vertically opposite to 4. So that is 80 degree. So angle 4 equals to 80 degree. And similarly angle 2 is the vertically opposite to 30 degree. So this is also 30 degree. Now for checking these are right or wrong, see that if we add these 3 we get 180. 80 plus 30 plus 70 is 180. Similarly these 3 180, these 3, this side 3, this side 30 plus 80 plus 70 is also 180. For checking this we can use this also. Okay, this method, linear pair method. Now in 8.1, see that two figures are given. In number 1 figure you have to find the x, in number 2 figure you have to find the x and y. So in number 1, see that total angle is given. So x, 2x minus 15, 2x plus 35 and one angle is 90 degree. So we are using complete angle formula. So that means all the angles addition up to 360 degree. So x 90 degree plus x plus 2x minus 15 degree plus 2x plus 35 degree equals to 360. So now x, how many x is there? 1, 3, 5. So 5x minus 15 plus 35. That means plus 20. 20 plus 90, 110. So that means 5x equals to 360 minus 110. So that means 5x equals to 250 degree. So x equals to 125 degree. So x equals to 125 degree here. Sorry, 5x equals to 250. That means x equals to 50 degree, not 125 degree. This is 50 degree. Okay. So x equals to 50 degree. And the next one, see that in the given problem, you have to find the x and y. So this is a linear pair, a straight line. So you can add it. So 2y plus 2y plus 5y equals to 180 degree. That means 9y equals to 180 degree. So y equals to 20 degree. If y equals to 20 degree, then 5y equals to 100 degree. Okay, so 5y equals to 100 degree. Two y equals to 40 degree. Clear? So as per figure, 5y and x are in vertically opposite. So we can say that if 5y equals to 100 degree, then x equals to also 100 degree. So x equals to 100 degree. X equals to 100 degree. Why x equals to 100 degree? Because 5y and x are in vertically opposite side. So x equals to 5y. So if 5y equals to 100 degree, then x equals to 100 degree. Now, next one. Now, in number 9, see that find x in each of the following in which OD is the bisector of the angle BOC. So, if bisector, that means equally divided. So BOC is bisected by 60 degree. 120 and this is 60 degree bisecting. So this is 60. BOC is bisecting. Okay. So for the BOC bisecting, that means AB in linear pair. So if we find this angle, that means this angle is angle BOD equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree because in linear pair. So that means 60 degree. So this equals to 60 degree. Clear? Now if this equals to 60 degree and this is bisecting OD, that means this equals to 60 means this equals to 60. So BOD equal to COD. That means 60 degree. Bisecting angle. Now the last one, see that in the given figure, this is 20 degree given and you have to find this angle. Okay. We see properly, this is the line and beyond this line, this side is the linear pair. That means this angle plus this angle plus this angle, 3 angles equals to 180. So you can write x, similarly this is also x. So x plus 20 degree equals to 180 degree. That means 2x plus 20 degree equals to 180 degree. So 2x equals to 160 degree. X equals to 80 degree. So here x equals to 80 degree. So that's all for 2B, and the next topic is parallel lines. We are discussing in the next class. Thank you all. Take care. Bye.